Tonight we're heading to London's South Bank, and we're meeting up with my sister and brother-in-law for a few drinks before making our way east along the River Thames. We meet at Beerkeller, which I've never been before, but it looks like a German-themed bar. And it serves drinks bigger than my sister's head. We follow the advice on the menu, which had some drinking games on. The aim of the game is to hold on to your drink with your arm out straight for the longest, and the loser of the game then has to down their drink in one. I wished I didn't lose, as I am absolutely terrible at drinking any sort of liquid fast.
Oh man, this is really sore.
It is surprisingly hard, and I'm impressed my sister is holding out so long, but I gave her the win in the end.
You've got it! You've got it! Yeah!
Are you okay, baby boy? You come on. Don't make yourself sick. Oh my god.
It's a fizzy, it's very fizzy.
Like I said, terrible at downing a drink. So anyway, on to our South Bank walk. The Golden Hind was the vessel that Sir Francis Drake used to circumnavigate the globe in 1577. It's not the original, it's just a replica, but it's just as cool. Just as we're nearing the end of our South Bank walk, it starts to rain, so we jumped into the next bar that we passed, which was called the Founder's Arms. We stopped here for a bit, had a few drinks and nibbles, then we resumed our walk, but just slightly more inebriated. Hey look, it's the Uber boat again. We end our walk at Leek Street, referred to as Banksy's Tunnel. It's one of the only places in London that you can spray paint without a licence or a permit. The tunnel had been a garage for a bus company up until 2008, when Banksy hosted a secret event that he called the Cannes Festival, to celebrate the graffiti community. He invited artists from all around the world to come and take part and present their work. The location wasn't revealed until the start of the event, which turned out to be Leek Street that's under Waterloo Station, now one of the most trafficked in the city.